During this week, we have predicted that Nifty would move maybe around 300 points, and Bank Nifty will see a move of around 800 to 900 points. Unfortunately, we have predicted the direction on the wrong side. We have expected that it could move on the higher side, but it cracked below on the downside due to global weakness and few bad results from Nifty 50 companies, few of the Nifty 50 companies. First of all, accept my apologies for the same. And now we will see the predictions or analysis for the upcoming week, that is first week of August. So this is the Nifty chart on daily time frame. While looking at this chart, it's quite interesting that we are in a range bound markets for the last 2 months. 2 full months we are in a range bound market. And moreover, if we convert this chart into a monthly time frame, first time after several months, several years, I would say, we are seeing two continuous dojis. Last month also it has formed a doji kind of candle, and this month as well it has performed the doji kind of candle. Okay, there is hardly a 40-point move between last month close and this month close. That is the change. In between we have moved 300 points higher, sorry, 250 points higher and 250 points lower as well, but the close is having a difference only 40 points, 42 points from the previous month's close. Look at the closing of June series here, June month here. It is 15,721, and this month closing is 15,763. It is hardly a 42-point move which has shown in Nifty during the entire month of July. So now this is a very clear trigger for a big move, but as of now we will not be able to predict the direction. Okay, so now we will change this again to daily chart, and the support zones are 15,015 levels, 15,515. That will be the support for the next week as well, and the resistance will be again the earlier high 15,960. So in between this range we will be hovering until 6th of August, that is on Friday. Why 6th of August? We have RBI monetary policy outcome on that particular day. It will be a trigger for the next round of move, be it on the upper side or on the lower side. Most probably it would be on the higher side, but there are chances it could be on the lower side as well. There are chances. If we take it as a ratio, there are 70% chances that it will break out on the higher side and it will move towards the 16,200 mark, and there are 30% chances it will break 15,500 levels and then go towards 15,200. Why I am saying 70% success on the higher side means I have a reason for that. Look at the chart of Nifty. I have added 20 moving average as usual in red line, and blue is the 50 moving average. Nifty is continuously taking support at these zones. A falling market will not behave like this. It will usually break the support and then fall continuously. It will not take support and climb higher continuously. Maybe once it will climb, or twice it will climb, but definitely on the third time it will fall. But if you see the Nifty charts, It is continuously taking support at 20, again at 20, again at 20, here at 50, and then here at 50 again. Now we are exactly hovering near the 20 moving average. So probably if any close above this particular zone, 15,770, 75 zones, the exact value is not showing here, it is overlapped. So probably it might be 15,770, I guess 770 to 775. So probably above this level, if we close for 2 continuous days, then there are bright chances we are going to break out on the higher side. And one more interesting fact over here is, while looking at this particular pattern, it is looking like a flag and pole kind of pattern. Whenever a flag and pole kind of pattern breaks out on the higher side, the length of the pole will be the target on the higher side. In that case, it is showing an unbelievable target as of now, but we don't know how markets are going to react upon breakout or breakdown. I'm saying about breakout only. Only on the breakout, I'm saying the flag, the size of the pole will be the target on the higher side. It is showing almost 1000 points on higher side for Nifty. But it will not happen in a week or so. It will take its own sweet time, maybe 1 or 2 months also. So this is the range for Nifty. As of now, we are expecting it will be a range bound market again within the 400 point range, like 15,500 to 15,960 zones. Clear trigger will be coming only after the RBI monetary policy outcome. So now we will move on to the Bank Nifty part. This is the Bank Nifty chart, hourly chart, and over here if we see, I will convert it to daily chart. Once again, Nifty, at least we have only 2 months of range bound move, whereas in Bank Nifty we are seeing 2.5 months of range bound move, which is between 33,900 and 34,900 zones, sorry, 35,900 zones, 2000 point band. Either side breakout will give big move, since there is a RBI policy outcome and all major banks, the highest weightage bank Nifty counters have delivered their results. So the worst is behind us. Only part is we have State Bank of results, which is pending on 4th of August. But our RBI policy comes only on 6th of August. So a clear trend will emerge only after that particular policy. And in between, if SBI surprises with results, we will give a breakout even before that. So even for Bank Nifty, I am saying it will be a range bound kind of scenario. Even though it is weak a bit than Nifty, but still I would go and suggest it is going to be a range bound market. When you see 34,000 levels, you buy it, and when you see it crossing 35,000 levels or 35,500 levels, you can sell it. You can't expect 1,500 point move on daily basis in Bank Nifty. Maybe a 300 to 400 point move will be there. Mark the ranges and trade according to the ranges. Okay. Now we are done with the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for next week. I hope this level will be maintaining and it will be a successful week of trading for us during next week. I have included our Telegram channel link in this description. Also, subscribe if you are a newcomer, and stay tuned in our channel for more interesting videos. I am planning to have some educational videos in future, like sharing few of the simple possible strategies wherein it will be useful for all. Thank you once again. Bye.